Hey everybody, Jeff with ID10T Garage as always, and I'm out in the garage and want to just give a small update because I've been sick. I've been working on my 3D printers and I just haven't had time to really get out here. So it's been a couple weeks and I've still been doing a little bit of work here and there, so let's go ahead and give you a progress report. So for one, I spent all day yesterday getting these two pieces to almost bare metal. There's still more to go. I'm going to have to get them sandblasted. It's just a giant pain in the butt to do this by sanding and little discs on the die grinder. I got the other one completely to go as well as that. I do have these parts all sanded down and ready. Got your gravel guard and your filler panels. This is obviously the front valance, and that I still need to sand this more. This is my cowl. And I spent most of today getting the guts out of the doors and the glass out. So one regulator is good. I've got most of all the brackets I need, but then there's this. This glass, which is the driver's side, is green. This glass is clear, which is the passenger side. But not only that, but this bracket is upside down, which means it's probably a left or right-handed bracket, and they riveted this piece on here as your stop. And not only that, but the track on here is also riveted on and wiggles around. Now it's supposed to be screwed on. And then this is what this stop is supposed to look like instead of this flimsy piece of metal that's riveted on. So I need to get another set of brackets, at least for the one window, and another window. And I think the green window, I already kind of got some weld stuff on it, so it's kind of got some spatter issues anyways. But this regulator is also toast, which is the driver's side, so it's just been one big issue after another with this car. But on the bright side, I do got all my brackets in the car now. I got the one regulator in on the passenger side. I do need to learn how to adjust. Excuse me, guys. Gotta unlock the door. I gotta find out the proper method for adjusting these brackets. There's just a slide at the bottom and you can slide them in and out. So once I get everything put together, we'll have to make sure we get that in there right. Yeah, I also guess I need to make sure I've got them right, because they're angled the same direction, but I am kind of curious if they're different or those are, can be put any which way, because I could have got them backwards. But anyways, I've been working. I'm getting things ready. I still need to put epoxy on a lot of stuff. Hopefully, I'll get these blasted next week and ready for some epoxy themselves. And I got to get the valance, the gravel guard, all that stuff in epoxy. I'm sure there's other things I'm forgetting about as well. But slowly but surely, we are getting there. I just wanted to get out here and say happy Christmas and happy holidays to everybody, and give a little update real quick. So thanks for tuning in as always. Like, subscribe, and comment, and share. But we'll see you guys soon. Bye.